Welcome to our Ride 1 of the Spanish Pyrenees tour. Today we're going to take you south of Ainsa for a ride of around 195 kilometers, 120 miles. We're going to start off with some nice cruising roads, bringing you to a true shrine. And we've added a stop with what is supposed to be an amazing view, and we're going to bring you back through the Parque Natural de la Sierra y los Cañones de Guara, if I pronounce it correctly. So, let's go crazy! Torre Ciudad is a Marian shrine honoring the Blessed Virgin Mary. Situated in a place of great natural beauty, the original tower from the Arab period gives its name to this area, Turris Civitatis, Torre de la Ciudad. Rising above amazing cliffs, it also gives you a beautiful view on the Embalse de El Grado, the water reservoir in front of the Presa de El Grado, the dam just 5 kilometers, 3 miles south that we've already passed and will pass again when we continue our ride. There is a kiosk where you can get a refreshing drink, but look at this view. So even if you're not interested in the shrine itself, it is a good stop to stretch your leg, walk around, enjoy the beautiful views before you get back on your bikes again. And the entrance is free. The village of Alcuezar has a spectacular location on the cliffs of the Rio Vero Canyon. The church, Colegiata de Santa Maria la Major, is placed on top of the hill overlooking the canyon. And so do a lot of the terraces here in this nice village. Enjoy a drink or a bite to eat before we head back on the bikes to do some more mountain roads and the natural park behind us. So we passed the Collado de San Capracio, and with 810 meters, over 2,600 feet high. Maybe not the highest mountain you've ever passed on your bike, but it sure is a nice way to explore this natural park with the nice biker roads. And what about this Mirador de Cañón de Rio Vero, the river we saw from Alcuezar and now from the other side. It is a short walk, only a short walk from the parking, but the parking is a bit bumpy, so please be careful if you want to park here and have a look. Before we leave the national park, we have one more pass to ride, the Collado de Eripol, with 860 meters, about 2,800 feet. After a fun ride, we are back in Ainsa. We've added this parking at the north side of the historical center of Ainsa in the GPX file. Depending on where you're staying, you might want to go to your accommodation first, but if you're staying a bit further and you want to go into Ainsa, this is a good spot to park your bike because it's only a short walk into Ainsa over this pedestrian bridge. We hope that you will enjoy your Crazy Rides Spanish Pyrenees tour. And of course that you are excited to go on more crazy rides. So we hope to see you soon. Bye bye! If you like this video, please hit that like button because it will help us with our channel. And if you don't want to miss our future videos on nice tours like this Spanish Pyrenees tour, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you want to keep going crazy now, we also have a second ride on this tour. It's in the middle of your screen.